time for, I'm really cutting all my hair off. So, but then a lot. Yeah, YouTube. We have Publix bake today. Taking Gracie on a picnic. My finger. When it comes to the smoke, look what I go get. Now we're getting fruit. What you said? I thought you said my face was white. Last day with my hair. Sweet tea, and I get a body on my hair. Where's she at? I don't even know what kind of chips she eats. They do it.
You ain't never seen her eat chips?
Lay's, we be eating Lay's, barbecue. That's it. Leaving. Oh, you want me to go to the car now? Where is it? Alright. I think that teacher leaving Publix now. You can hand me that bag. Ugh. Oh, you gonna put it back there? Oh. Alright, y'all. What's the word? I already know about the pineapples. But you like pineapples, right?
Yeah.
Pineapples, oranges. What was the other one? Cantaloupe. But you said something about bananas, right?
What's yours? Pineapple, oranges. I know. I feel like there's another one. Oh, watermelon.
Hours later. See, I need that.
But it has to be the one with no seeds. That looks like salmon.
Are you gonna eat the seeds and nothing?
That's why I want to strawberry.
Why don't you eat the seeds? What's wrong with them?
I like the texture.
Right.
The texture.
I mean, that's a lot of seeds, though. Well, not really. All those are not the seeds on the outside. See, I do.
There's no seeds in the inside. There's no seeds in the inside.
I was going, alright. I'm gonna give it to you. Day life with Gracie. Hours later. This was so last second. Bro, I'm telling you, so you know how I was literally mid-game. She takes me. Got up. I didn't even finish the game, bro. I turned the game off. Why are you looking like that? Last day with my hair. Unfortunately, cutting all of it off. Look, this side got longer.
I think we should keep it down.
More
I'm
dreads.
eating all this. Do you want some?
Why don't you, bro, you should eat those strawberries. You know, like, I didn't lay this back on. That's crazy, I forgot what the color. There's a lot of people with chilling here, y'all. A lot of folks. We was in the what's it called, right? I was like, nah, so the bad day letters came in. I was like, you get it right, you go like this, and you roll it up in the store. It's so funny. Oh, I should have got some pears. I saw the pears too. I was like, I want to get some pears.
Pears are so nasty. We used to have a pear tree.
Them niggas back on. This water is good. Good pH, man. What is pH? I don't even know what it was. It just sounds cool. Physical health. Balance, right? Physical health.
I don't know. I didn't pay attention in science. Should I drink the pickle juice?
No, do not do that.
Why?
Look, I know how to swim. How do you do that? Blow air out of your mouth when you're swimming, but don't like, what's it called?
You feel your when you go like when you go.
Oh, when you
down
feel
in
your
water,
mouth getting full with the water.
No. When you go like down, you're gonna like. I feel like when people go under, their mind is racing. When you go down underwater, just like let your mind be, and you can hold your breath longer. But when you go down, you're gonna like your mouth's gonna be like this, and then. I know
it didn't go back in there. It did
yes,
not go back
did.
in there.
I saw it. I saw it.
I was peeping.
Let me see.
What is that? Uh-oh. See, it's right when you let black folks go places.
Oh, he just fell in the water.
Oh, he did?
He
Should have laughed.
You done backwashed.
I did?
Yes, you did.
You can't even see. How do you
I can
know?
see.
Oh, well. Anyways.
Because you're putting your whole lips around the drink. That is not how you were drinking. This is not. See, why are you drinking normal now? You was sitting over here like this.
Day in the life of a 5-foot girlfriend.
Yum.
Let's get in the water now. Rock, paper, scissors.
Okay.
We get my get back now. Oh, let me go 30 away. Clean up, everybody, clean up. You remember the clean up song? You know the clean up song? Gracie?
Clean up. I don't know. I forgot it.
Everybody clean up, clean up. Why are you running? Dang, I should have recorded eating. Should have got everything. You want these pickles? Nuggets. Vegan nuggets, vegan burger. It's too hot out here, y'all, for me, man. Me don't do the sun, buddy. I just told you that you want me to. Bye, y'all, on up. What? What happened? It'll be alright.
Well, not that much.
Oh, it almost fell. This probably gonna be the last. This probably gonna be my last video, like first round. What's it called? Bro, the store's gonna be full. I'm gonna go swimming in the lake, y'all. Swimming? Oh, we can walk around now. She said in about an hour. I'm gonna carry in this bag around. I'm gonna take it back to the car. Should I? Take it back to the car? Yeah, I'm gonna take it back to the car. We're finna go down there now. Oh, my phone is hot. They do it. Let me see, where's the trash at? Oh, the trash is in here. Open that up. Catch y'all folks soon, y'all. Beat my Cuban, y'all. Custom piece. Like 350K. Gracie in the cut. Wait. Did you hear that?
Oh.
But I thought I heard something. No, I ain't tripping. What are these? These are in the swamps, ain't it? Yo, guys. I'm gonna do it in the 0.5 camera. So I can look extra tall. Oh, let me see. I'm damn tall, y'all. Gracie in the cut. So tall. That's funny, bro. I actually look tall. From a player point of view. Walk around with a big old Cuban. No, everybody can't get one of these. Is she still parked there?
No, she moved.
We're here, y'all. Where we even at? Where's this called?
I'm done.
We got side. Oh, people be writing their names on here. They got to carry their bag. It's for the. We should have what? Do what?
Why did I slur my words in that?
What?
Why did I slur my words in that?
Put your words in what?
So why did I slur my words like
What you
that?
mean slur?
Slur. Slur.
Or like saying,
Slur.
like southern?
Slur.
What you mean slur?
Make sure you check your body for ticks.
Ticks? I won't get no ticks. I'm taking a shower the second I get home. Y'all almost tripped because of Gracie.
No.
We're not even showing her right now because she
No, he's making me carry the heavy bag.
It's not that heavy.
It's pretty heavy.
She do all this stuff. This ain't my field, you feel me? My field is in the game field. Feel me? Like, this ain't my speed.
Okay, we can't have both.
You saying you can't have both?
It's like a type of fish that like skips hops.
Now we sitting down now. I don't know what in the world Gracie's doing. I just seen a fish hop. I ain't seen no fish hop for real. It's just like junk type stuff. File packets. Let's take a picture. You want to get a picture?
No face, no case.
Tight. If she say that, she got another duel, y'all.
I'm not gonna.
Anyway, now we're going up some stairs, y'all. What is this called? Walks with Gracie. You know, I don't like carrying bad. You know, you feel me? When you.
What is up here? How many stairs?
Why?
My legs are already tired.
I used to be. I look light skinned. Oh, I almost fell.
Stop.
I got you. Wow. Cool. Now I got melanin in the skin. The air catching up on me.
I'm out of breath.
Ugh.
That was like a mile.
That was like 4 hours. You know, used to walking in the dark.
Cool.
Long from the south to the north. It'd be a free. I'm about tired. You gotta get you a short girl. Figure out how your armrest. Let me stop playing. Looks like we kidnapping folks at.
What is this?
Where you wanna go? Look how big that leaf is.
Yeah.
Yo, you need to go next, bro. Hey, nah, bro. Hey, pause some once in a lifetime thing, bro. Bro, you cut your hair,
You had the
bro.
same haircut since the 7th grade.
I don't care, bro.
Grade, bro. Cut it off. You're graduated, bro. Stop hating. It's not hating.
I cut it before I leave to go to North Carolina.
6th grade to 12th grade, bro. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 years.
No time limit on health. As long as it's still girl, keep it.
I'm gonna wake up in the morning and I'm gonna look at the I'm like, dang, I forgot.
He didn't look him up. Hey, bro.
Me and Paul instead of change, no, you don't want to
Instead of change what is hell. Exactly, bro.
It's change.
No, why you gotta change for you?
No, I'm not saying it. I'm just saying the general.
No, he wanted hell. He don't want to change. He want to change.
Right, the only reason Noah still wants his hair because he think he gonna lose all the females he got.
That's not true. I can't like my hair, bro. You hate on your brother. He just wanted to have a hair. That's all Seth do, bro. You cut your hair.